Hey there Candy Crush lover, you want gold bars but don't want to spend real money? I got you. In today's sweet little video, I'll show you how to earn gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First up, episode race. Beat 5 levels before 4 other players and boom, you get a gold bar reward. Think of it as a candy speedrun with a prize at the finish line. Log in daily to collect your sweet treats. Sometimes the game throws in gold bar during events, daily boosters or surprise drop. Don't skip a day or you will miss the golden chance. Some events like Candy Royal or weekly race give a gold bar if you reach the top or complete a special milestone. It's not just about playing, it's about dominating. Team up with your Candy Crush crew during team events. Completing goals together can earn you. Yup, more gold bars. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can earn gold bars in Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.